Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I love playing around with the blend tool and trying different ideas. And I woke up this morning thinking about this. I'm going to draw a 2-point line, but I'm going to go up here now and make it a thicker line. And I'm going to I'm going to hit F12 on my keyboard and make it a dotted or a dash line. Say okay. Now I'm going to make a duplicate of that and move it over. And I'm going to change it to yellow by right-clicking the mouse. Now I'm going to select both of them, go to Effects and Blend. I'm going to blend it a bunch, 999 times, and I get that. Now, if I take the last blend, let me get rid of that, the last item of the blend, and grab it with the Shape tool, and select both nodes and right-click and turn it into a curve, then I can add nodes and do stuff like this with it and completely mess it up. That doesn't look too good because the colors, but if you kept it somewhat rounded, you're going to get a pretty neat effect. And if we put a black box around it, and the reason I did it at 999 times, which is the most you can do, is that you can't see the blend. Where in this one right here, I only did like 200, and you can actually see the blend, which is cool and it's cool enough within itself. And you know, we could bring this down and play with this some more, and you know, maybe not have so much overlapping, but that would be a pretty cool idea. Anyway, hope that gave you a few ideas or two, and thank you for watching.